This is the type of home that people move away from the city to find. Quiet neighborhood, easy lake access, and meticulously maintained. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 2-car garage on an extremely flat lot, comes with a 12 by 28 foot boat slip, and it's move-in ready. This is 1241 Cedar Ridge Circle in Roach, Missouri. Let's go take a look inside. Along the waterfront, you've got flat lake access to your shared 2-well dock, located on the 7-mile marker of the Little Niangua, where you got some of the best fishing around. My name's Ethan Lee with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks, Jason Whittle All-Pro Team. When you're ready for a private tour, give us a call at 800-836-2005, or you can always check us out on our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks.